My wife hates poison ivy. This is not poison ivy. It took me a while to train her on how to tell the difference. It's really very easy. If you notice the leaves, it has 5 leaflets. Poison ivy has 3. We only have 5 leaflets here. This is Virginia creeper, and it is easily confused with poison ivy because of the growth habit and the color. And sometimes poison ivy is mixed in with Virginia creeper. So be careful when you're dealing with it. I do not see 3 leaves in here anywhere. You can see the fruit on here, the little berries. Virginia creeper, poison ivy has berries on it too. So it has some similarities. Poison ivy has hairy outgrowths from the stem, and Virginia creeper does not. Pretty easy to control. It may take more than one application of a herbicide. Glyphosate is a good product. If it's running up a tree or your house, you can cut it loose, and then when it regrows, as it's actively growing, spray it with the glyphosate. And glyphosate works better on actively growing, fast-growing tissue. Spray it on the green tissue, and you ought to be able to take it out.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.